did you enjoy the chapati?
It was yummy, yummy, yummy.
Children, did you love the chapati? I hope they did.
Yes. Let's say hello to the children.
Yes.
Hello, children.
Okay.
Can I say hello?
Yes, say hello.
Hello, children. How are you?
Zazu.
Hello children, how are you?
Do you love cooking?
I do love cooking and
Wow. Even the children love cooking.
We are actually going to make cookies. Do you know?
Yay.
Wow, Simba.
Ah.
That's brilliant.
Wow, I guessed it right.
Yes, you really did. Do you know what we are first going to do? Can we show the children what we are going to use?
Yes, Auntie Julie.
We have one egg. Can you show them the egg?
We have one
Egg.
Yes.
Then we have butter. 100 grams of butter. Right there.
We have self-rising flour.
Woo!
Oh, what?
Self-rising flour.
Oh.
Then we have some nuts here. See our nuts?
Okay.
Yes, some peanuts. Then this is baking powder. Auntie Julie, what is this?
This is brown sugar.
Oh.
It's brown sugar.
I know what this is.
What is it?
Peanut butter. Okay.
Now,
What goes first, Auntie Julie? I beat the egg.
yes. Beat the egg. Wow.
Zazie, will you hold the fork with me and we beat this egg together?
Yay!
Wow. Thank you, Zazu.
You're welcome, Auntie Julie. Ooh, this is fun.
Yeah. Thank you, Zazu.
You're welcome.
And then do you know what you do next, Auntie Brenda? You pour the egg into the big bowl.
This big bowl.
Yes.
Okay.
And then I get the sugar. And let Simba help us. Pour
Okay.
the sugar. Thank you, Simba.
Super.
And then
Butter.
butter. See the butter?
Yes.
Oops.
Use a fork.
Then the butter comes out. There's a little bit left there.
Okay.
Okay. And then I think you need the machine cut. Simba and Zazu might be scared of the noise, so I think they better go back. What do you think? We'll call you back, okay?
Okay, don't forget.
So I'm going to beat the butter, brown sugar, and egg. Make sure mommy and daddy help you, okay?
Oh, did you hear the noise?
Was that police?
No!
What was that?
I'm using.
Did you get scared, Simba?
Yes, and I ran to my daddy.
Okay.
And me, I flew away.
Okay. What do we add in, Auntie Julie?
We are now going to add in the peanut butter.
Oh,
Let's
all of it.
all the peanut butter, which is how many grams?
100 grams
100 grams of peanut
butter.
butter. Simba, do you like peanut butter?
So much.
You do?
Yeah.
What do you use peanut butter for?
I put it on my bread.
Oh!
But now we are going to put it in your cookies.
Oh.
Wow.
Do you think it's going to be yummy?
That will be
I
yummy.
think so.
You do?
Don't you think, Zazu?
Yes, be yummy.
Is that enough, Auntie Brenda?
Yes, I think it's enough, definitely.
Okay, there we go.
Hold your ears.
Cover your ears, let me cover your ears.
All mixed together. Can I show the children?
Let's show the
So
children.
yummy.
cookie.
Wow.
Do you see that? Wow. So what do we put in next, Auntie Josie?
We put in
The nuts. Are they the nuts?
the nuts. You see?
All of them.
But you know, Auntie Brenda, sometimes what can happen, you can buy the crunchy peanut butter.
Oh, the one that has nuts already?
Yes.
Ah.
But when I went to the supermarket, they didn't have it.
Oh, so we had to add these ones? Okay.
Okay, so next time, either you can add your own nuts, or you can
You
buy
the one
the
that
nutty
has-
one.
Okay. Then we put in the,
Flour.
put some baking powder.
Powder in the flour.
Yeah.
Okay, there a teaspoon. Is it a teaspoon?
Yes, it's a teaspoon, half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon. Okay. Now, I'm going to put it in here slowly. Simba, why don't you help me?
Okay.
Simba, it seems you're tired.
Not yet.
Not yet, Anzazu?
No.
I put in some more. Okay, Simba and Zazu,
Yeah.
go and tell your mommy to be
Okay.
ready because you're going to bring some yummy peanut butter cookies.
Okay.
So go and tell them, okay?
Okay.
Simba and Zazu,
Yay!
did you tell your mommy you're going home with cookies?
Yes. They say they can't wait to eat them.
Okay.
So me and Auntie Brenda, we are going to make small balls. Okay. Roll. Then when you roll, then you put it in the Rice Krispies
Okay.
and you roll again.
Cover it all up.
Can we sing for you?
Yes, you can see.
Rolling is fine. Rolling is fine.
Wow.
Rolling is fine. It's so fun.
So fun.
For you.
Yay! We're going to roll. We're going to keep rolling.
And
Do you know
then
how many we've made already?
No.
We've made 3 of them so far.
Ooh.
you see, now the oven is just waiting for us to make.
Rolled so many of them.
Simba, what's going to happen next?
I don't know.
Zazu, do you know what we're going to do next?
No.
Oh, okay. So we put some oil on the tray so that the cookies don't stick, okay?
Oh.
And then we rolled and put our cookies. Now we are taking them to the
Oven.
oven.
Baking time.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes.
Okay.
We'll take it out, okay?
Oh.
Come with us to the oven.
Auntie Brenda,
No.
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yes,
Okay.
it's 20.
20 minutes.
Oh.
All right.
That is called a mistake.
Okay.
To the oven. Oh, Auntie Julie, they're even cold. Don't they look yummy?
Yummy.
Zazu, come and see, Simba.
Zazu, wait for me, wait for me.
Okay, Zazu. Yay.
Oh my
Can we put them there?
Okay, let's put them on our tray. Simba, will you pick one?
Oh,
Pick
help
one
me.
here. There.
Ah.
Don't go with it.
Okay, there we are. They look yummy.
Yeah.
Oh.
They look so
They look
nice.
so yummy. Nice cooked cookies. Yes.
Oh, cooking is fun.
Before I give you a cookie, we need to say bye to the children, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can we say bye to the children?
Bye.